For many employees dreaming of an entrepreneurial lifestyle, the idea of being a solopreneur sounds intensely alluring. What could be better than calling all the shots yourself while building a business and income stream on your terms? The freedom to work wherever you want, pick clients you love, maximize profit margins, and that coveted work-life balance we all crave. But successful solopreneurship is not all private beachside laptop sessions and rolling out of bed for Zoom calls. To help set you up for solopreneur success, we will explore 7 of the most essential, yet decidedly unsexy habits practiced by highly successful solopreneurs. Habit 1. Treat yourself like an employee from 9 to 5. Productivity quickly plummets without rigid schedules or accountability, forcing you to maintain consistent work habits. The most successful solopreneurs understand the importance of self-imposing routines and treating themselves like diligent employees from AM to PM each day. Habit 2. Protect your attention fiercely. As a solopreneur juggling diverse responsibilities without colleagues or status update meetings, protecting your attention ruthlessly becomes a mission-critical imperative. That means identifying attention bottlenecks and then deploy aggressive countermeasures to combat them. Some tactics used by top solopreneurs include disable social media apps, push notifications and other distractions, use time blocking and timekeeping tasks, Pomodoro techniques and 52/17 rule, no video streaming, TV and video games during work hours. Habit 3. Religiously track your time and metrics. For the solopreneur, time quite literally equals money. It's also easy to get sucked into endless micro-tasks and distractions. That's why time and metrics tracking is important for top solopreneurs. Use software tools and spreadsheets to track every single minute of your time. Some metrics you should be obsessed about are profitability, project feeds, marketing costs, sales pipelines, and win rates. Habit 4. Consistently invest in your own growth. With no employer funding for professional development or training programs, solopreneurs are solely responsible for investing time and money into continually upgrading their expertise and skills. Grow your skills. Read industry blogs and books, attend virtual events. Take courses to improve your skills, for example, marketing, copywriting, and sales skills. Do not forget soft skills like business development, networking, and productivity management. Habit 5. Stay disciplined about money management. Always prepare for income inconsistencies, unexpected emergencies, tax complexities, and health insurance uncertainties. Build emergency buffers of at least 3 to 6 months runway. Actively tracking or categorizing expenses on tools like Mint or QuickBooks. Automate tax withholdings and contributions. Keep growth capital separated from personal paycheck accounts. Always save up for tax, health insurance, and retirement. Habit 6. Build your network. Working at home can be a hazard as loneliness creeps in. Make networking and relationship cultivation a priority. This increases your exposure to opportunities, support systems, and deal flow. Devote at least 10% of your working hours per week to nurture your network. Participate in Slack communities. Attend virtual happy hours, or even offer feedback to someone's project. You can also exchange referrals, SEO marketing, or make guest appearances. These strategies go a long way. This helps to build high-quality networks and open yourself to more opportunities. Habit 7. Reward yourself with guilt-free downtime. The intensity and grind as a solopreneur can be taxing on both physical and mental health. Take time to recharge your energy with rituals, no matter how busy it gets. Unplug yourself with personal hobbies and activities. Stick to your yoga, cooking, reading, or just goof around. Go travel, camping, outdoor adventures, or play sports. Say no to work, communications, and internet time. True grit is required for solopreneur success. Follow these 7 habits and you are on your way to success and greatness.